We want to look at the factor theorem using this polynomial function here. So remember, the factor theorem says if you have a function f of x, right, and if f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. Right, you have a function f of x and you put in a number a and you get 0, then x minus a is a factor. Notice, you know, that if you put in negative a, so that you get f of negative a, then x minus negative a is a factor, which is the same as x plus a, right? But this is the basic thing. You have a function f of x and you put in a number a and you get 0, then x minus a is a factor. So here we have x plus 2 by x plus 3 by x minus 4 equals x cubed plus x squared minus 14x minus 24. We can see the three factors here. Alright? So we have, in this case, x plus 2 is a factor, obviously. X plus 2 is a factor. Now, if we make x plus 2 equal 0, then x is equal to negative 2. Now, what the theorem says, if we make x equal negative 2 and put in there and we get 0, then x plus 2 is a factor. Alright? So here, if x plus 2 is 0, you notice that this would mean 0 times x plus 3 times x minus 4, right? And 0 times anything gives you 0. Now, if we put x plus 2 in here, if we put x equal negative 2 in here, then we should get 0. So let's try. Negative 2 cubed. So f of negative 2 is negative 2 cubed plus negative 2 squared minus 14 by negative 2 minus 24. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8 plus 2 2's 4 is going to be a plus 14 2's 28 minus 24. Negative 8 plus 4 is going to be negative 4 plus 28 minus 24. 28 minus 24 is 4, so negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Alright, so we see that that is 0, right? So f of negative 2 is a factor. It means x minus negative 2. No, what am I saying? Let's do that again. F of negative 2 gives you 0. It means x minus negative 2 is a factor. It's the same as x plus 2, right? A factor. Now, we also see here that if we make x plus 3 0, then we'd have x plus 2 times 0 times x minus 4. X plus 2 by 0 is 0, and 0 by x minus 4 will be 0. So let's try that. If we made x plus 3 equals 0, then x is negative 3, right? So if we put negative 3 in here, we should get 0. And if that is so, f of negative 3 is 0, then x minus negative 3 is a factor. So x plus 3 is a factor. Alright? Let's try that. Negative 3 cubed plus x squared would be negative 3 squared minus 14 times x would be 14 times negative 3 minus 24. So negative 27 plus 9 plus 14 by 3 is what? 3 4 is 12. 2 carry 1, 3 1 3 1 4. So 42 minus 24. Negative 27 plus 9 is what? 8, negative 18, negative 18 plus 42 minus 24. So this would be like 42 minus 18 minus 24. 42 minus 18 is what? Let's work this out. 1 from 3, 4 gives 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So that's 24 minus 24 equals 0. You see that? Alright? Let's look at the third one there. X minus 4. Now the thing is, we can see that x minus 4 is a factor. Now, if we say x minus 4 equals to 0, it's a factor, right? If we make it 0, then x is equal to 4. So if we put 4 into this, we should get 0. Now the fact that f of 4 equals 0 means x minus 4 is a factor, right? If f of a is 0, then x minus a is a factor. Let's try it and see if x minus 4 is really 0. If f of 4 is really 0. So it's x cubed, that's 4 cubed, plus x squared, which means 4 squared, minus 14x, which means minus 14 by 4, minus 24. 4 cubed is what? 4, 4, 16, 16, 4, 64. Plus 4, 4, 16, minus 14 by 4. What is 14 by 4? 4, 4, 16. Bring down the 6, carry 1, 4, 1 from 1, 5. That's 56 minus 24, right? So 64 plus 16 is what? 64, 74, 80. 6 on 4, 10. 6 on 1, 7 on 1, 8. 80, right? Minus 56 minus 24. 80 minus 56 is what? 80 minus 56 can subtract 0. So 1 from 8 to get 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. Negative 24. Negative 24 plus 24 equals 0. Alright. So there we have it. We have 0 there. So those three are factors. The x plus 2, x plus 3, and x minus 4 are factors of x cubed plus x squared minus 14x minus 24. And we use the factor theorem on all three of them to verify that the factor theorem works for this polynomial. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.